Three, two, one. Hello everyone, I am Mete,
Hello, I'm Shima.
and it's our first video, and we have a very valuable technological investment.
Which is trash.
It's not fresh, and I wanted to keep it like many bags of electronical investments I had, but Shima is saying that we don't have that much space.
Because of lots of trash, and it is an old laptop. I can show you why I'm saying trash. 1, 2, yes, it's not worth.
Come on, it's literal treasure. Look at what we have. I mean,
Wow, yeah, it's a
We have
total
everything.
investment.
I love it because it's trash. Yes, I love trash.
so instead of like throwing out, I thought about what we can do. And we can make a portable screen. Why? This princess need a...
Second monitor for working in the cafe.
Yes, she wanna be a cool girl in the Starbucks, so we can have a monitor with this screen. So, first of all, we have the screen from the laptop, but we need something to control it. So, laptop is that, unfortunately we can't use that one, so we need to buy LVDS board, or you can say, you can Google LCD controller board.
Okay, how we can find it for example, for which laptop? Can I just search for my model and check the LVDS?
This is one thing, but you should be careful about even the like a same laptop models sometimes have different screen resolutions and etc. You should write this laptop, let's say Lenovo ThinkPad, this model, this resolution, like 1080p, 4K, whatever you have it. But most secure way is just opening the laptop, checking the exact model, Googling it, searching it from the like e-commerce website and finding the correct model.
What about the power?
Some controllers include power adapter, it's mostly 12 volts, some are not. So if you have a 12 volt adapter at home, you can use that one, but you should be careful, the jack size is correct or not. Typical 12 volt cut.
No, it was okay. Oh, it's that much easy. Just an old laptop, LVDS controller, and the power.
That is easy, but if you are gonna be a cool girl in the Starbucks, you need some proper casing. We can use the laptop cover itself, but in the end, we don't want to spill coffee over it, or cables shouldn't be outside.
I don't want to be perfectionist, so I just want something to work. I don't
Okay.
think about the frame or etc.
Okay. One more thing, like using the LCD module just as alone, it's kind of dangerous because they are kind of delicate. So if you don't want to like deal with the casing and stuff, I advise you to use the laptop's cover itself. So it's gonna be a better solution for protection.
So, can we buy?
Yeah, we can buy. Let's search and order from the...
China.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Oh my god, Chinese are so fast in shipping. Hopefully we order our board. It's look like a electronic garbage, but it's not.
That is beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at it. So, Shima, we got our precious board. Could you provide us some information about this piece of thing?
Yes. Okay, so what is this beauty? This part is the one he doesn't like it because he is not using the button for adjusting the brightness, but please keep it if he is saying that throw it out. So the other part is the ribbon cable. This one is the most important part that you should be careful when you are connecting it to your LCD. And also we have the power, we have the HDMI, and I don't think that we are gonna use VGA or etc. And also there is a speaker part that you can use if you want to watch something.
So, thanks Shima to giving all these precious details about our LCD controller. So we can disassemble our laptop, like we didn't already, and we can use our board on it.
Let's do it.
Okay, we are back again. We saw the no signal screen, but we didn't saw real image from the computer yet, so it's that moment. So Shima,
Yeah, I don't believe you that it is working or not. So let's
But-
try it.
my trust to the Chinese are certain, so I think it's gonna work.
Yeah, let's see.
We have our board here, LCD here, laptop, HDMI. What do we need is power. HDMI, what do we need is only 12 volt power. Just I'm plugging in, and I'm plugging our HDMI.
Oh, the light is coming.
Yeah, and backlight of the LCDs came also, you can see.
So let's check.
Yeah, stressful moment.
Light is coming. And
Yeah.
turn it.
Let me check it. Can you guys see anything? Is the book
Is it
camera?
already working?
I don't know. Please put on the comments. Is it? I thought it's gonna last. Sorry.
So it's really bored. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Good for us.